Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the AMORLINC function inside of Microsoft Excel. So a little bit like the AMOR-GRC function. So this function will return the depreciation for each accounting period for a certain asset. So it's provided for the French accounting system, and if an asset is, for example, purchased in the middle of an accounting period, the prorated depreciation will be taken into account. So in order to be able to use this function, we have a few variables. So in this case, we have 7 variables, and one of those 7 variables is optional, so the basis variable. So you will need in this case, once again, I'm going to use the equipment cost as an example. So we are purchasing a piece of equipment for $204,000. The salvage price will be $98,000. The purchase date will be the 1st February 2021. The first period end will be the 31st. We will have the period number will be 1, and the depreciation rate in this case will be 3.7%. So how exactly can we run this function? So pretty simple. We are going to click on equal and write down AMORLINC. So here we go. The function is just here. And then we are going to enter all of our variables. So the first one will be the cost. So in this case, the cost will be $204,000. Then we are going to enter the purchase date. So it's going to be the 1st of February 2021. So since it's in the middle of a period. Then the end of the first period. Here it's first period, but it's going to be the end date of the first period. So it's going to be the 31st of March 2021. The salvage price will be $98,000. For the period number, we are going to select 1. And finally, the depreciation rate in this case will be 3.7. As I said, the basis is optional. So in our case, we are simply going to select 0. And here we go. Once we run it, we are going to receive the answer that will be $7,548 for our function AMORLINC, based on the various variables that we have right here. So this is how you use this function inside of Microsoft Excel. So once again, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.